Hello viewers and subscribers, welcome to my YouTube channel, that is Jupiter Linked.
Ompat UI kumkani ka Jingji Hamanipur ong ki Assam Rifles ki Cipai Assam Rifles kila ong ya ka Jingge Sunam Hamanipur bakum kani ka Jingji ompat juji menoru ka Jingge Terkuli hapdeng ki kuki bat ki Meitei hakini ki singi baladep kala peniap ya nreungut ki breu layathu baki Jingge Terkuli kila ji hakaput hapdeng ka Bisnupur bat ka Curachanpur kani ka Jingge Terkuli kala long ka Jingji ka Bashir Khaitam haka Jela Manipur hakaba ka Jingge Sunam kalane lapalat Arbnai udiji jong ki Cipai Assam Rifles u LTJN Pisiner ulaong ba umpat jusiam kum kani ka Jingji menswa ki Assam Rifles kidang don haka kam Hamanipur kilayale ban penduna ya ka Jingge kaji ka Balasdang nadu ubnai me menta usnem baro arjat ki kenhun benreu kata ki Meitei bat ki kuki kilaya rak tirthma kane ka de ka Jingge kop ka Bakrautam laong ki Assam Rifles.
The situation that we are facing in Manipur is very unprecedented. We have never faced anything of this kind in our long years of history. It's new to us, it's new to Manipur also. In a way, something similar happened in the early 90s when the Nagas and Kukis fought. And then within the Kuki groups also there was a fight in late 90s. But this kind of scale of violence is unprecedented, as I said. So the challenges, of course, are multiple. One today, when I see, I think the biggest challenge is the large number of weapons that are out in both the communities.
Kajingnya sir suloi, hapdeng ki kenhun benreu Meitei, bat ki kenhun benreu Kuki, kala sedang haka arp kendai tarik u Agos, arhajar arpolai. Kane kajingnya Terkuli, kala ji, hadin ba unong reap, ubaladon arp benreu snem ka arta, ubana kasnong naran saina, ulah syak siap, haki ruking atiar. Hakane kajingnya Terkuli, ki ar kenhun dej benreu, laong, ba arngut ki Pulet, jong ka Indian Reserve Battalion, kila mensal. Kane kajingnya Terkuli, kalaki, haki benta jong ulum Khoirentak, bat haki benta jong ka Kaput Curachanpur Bisnupur. Katkum ki Pulet Manipur, kila ong, bakane kajingnya kaji Kadangjur, Henrei, kaladon hapu kajing te lakam, lane kajing penjajai. Nadu benai me, kumbasis pak nru pelaingut ki breu, kila yap, bat sanpo ajar ngut, kila petwir, hakajingnya kaji jaj benreu, Hamanipur. Hakajan mit jong kasi palai, kabadai ka life way tarik u Agos, arhajar arpolai, katokat ningut ki breu, ki bom lak bentip kerteng, kila persyang bentang, ya ki ying bom dan breu su, ha impal. Kumno re kumno, ki Cipai, ki badon hajan, kila puai syakane ka Jaka, bat kila khanglat no, ya ki runar, bantang ya ki ying,